I'm loving this vibe. This vibe, like. Anyway, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great week. I know today has been so beautiful for me. It was 74 degrees today. As you can tell, I'm showing a little skin. Today's RA Appreciation Day, so my residents decorated my door so beautifully. They put sticky notes everywhere. Queen Jonay, thanks for being the best RA. I almost shed a tear. Throat got a little itchy. But it's been a beautiful day, so I hope you're having a good and blessed week as well. So today's video is going to be about things about college I think everyone should know. I want to direct this mainly to the class of 2018 in high school. Congrats guys, you've made it, almost a couple more months, but do not rush it. Don't rush it. It will come sooner than you think. I literally still remember my freshman year of high school, and yeah. So we're just gonna go through these rapid fire. Alright, I already said the first one. Don't rush it, high school. It'll come. Just wait. It's nothing too big to be rushing to. You're rushing towards sleepless nights, noodle-filled dinners, sleep for dinner, high textbooks, and everything costing an arm and a leg. I digress. Number one, you will appreciate going home. Since I'm an RA, I don't get to go home as often as I did freshman year, but when you go home, you will miss it. You miss the home feeling, having your own room, having your own bathroom. If you're gonna have communal bathrooms, that's a whole nother story, but in general, you will miss home. It's okay to not have the same friends that you had your first semester at college. People change, you will change. Some people weren't meant to be your friend the whole college career, and that is okay. You can just have friends for the first semester to get you accommodated. Now, I'm not saying use anybody, but if you outgrow them or they outgrow you, just know that it's okay. You are not stuck to the same people you met freshman year. Number three, not everyone is your friend. I know everyone says that, but it's plain and simple. Not everyone is your friend. You are at college, you're coming across a lot of different people, a lot of different backgrounds. People were raised differently. So you just have to realize that be friendly, but not too friendly, because not everyone is your friend. Number four, don't be afraid to eat or be alone. I remember freshman year, I was so scared to go to the dining hall by myself. I waited till my roommate got out of class so we could go eat.
Do not do that.
Don't do that. Go eat. It is okay to be by yourself sometimes. In college, because it's so busy and it's so rush all the time, you need those moments to yourself. So take those moments, because there will be times where you wish you had nothing to do and you could just lay around and chill. 5, everything costs an arm and a leg. I don't know about everyone else's school, but here everything is high. They are so money hungry. They'll probably charge you for air. Parking is high. Food is high. We have a thing called the point system, so it's kind of like money but in points, so you can spend them at like our pod, which is like a little mini market on campus. A pint of ice cream, Ben & Jerry's. My favorite is half-baked, if any of you guys were wondering. $6.
Arm and a leg.
6. Save your summer money that you worked so hard for over the summer. That goes along with number 5, because everything costs an arm and a leg. I also say that because on campus, things cost money. Not just material items, but events that you may want to go to. We have like 2, 3, 4, 5, even $10, $15 events. And if you want to go, you gotta pay. So those little events every semester add up. Especially if they're on Eventbrite or Ticketmaster and they add the little tax on there. 7, never stop looking for scholarships. I know at the end of the high school career, you've looked through all your scholarships and you think you're good. While you are still in college, do not stop looking for scholarships. There are scholarships for sophomores, juniors, seniors, undergrad, graduate. They are out there, so don't stop looking for scholarships just because you got into college. You will need that money. Number 8, not everything is for you. You win some and you lose some. You'll go out for a team, you might not make it. You go out for a position, you might not make it. An internship, you might not make it, and you might. So just know that what God has for you is for you. 9, don't feel obligated to be mixy or to hang out with people all the time. Being mixy can get you in trouble. If you know you have stuff to do, it's okay to say no. Say it with me. No. Now go study for that test. 10. Missing class hurts you more than you think. Side note, is there a way to block your mother from watching this YouTube video? Shout out to Mom Dukes. Especially if you do it consecutively, don't do that. I can understand, like, maybe you woke up late, but still try to go. It definitely makes a difference because you have to make that stuff up, and professors are not going to come to you and say, Johnny, you missed class, so here are the notes. No, that is your responsibility, especially if they don't have the PowerPoint slides where they post them. Now you have to go through asking someone, hey, do you have the notes? If you can, go to class. 11, it's okay to change, but only if you want to change. Don't change because someone else wants you to. 12, peer pressure does not end in high school. It is real, it is here, it is everywhere. Peer pressure will not stop, so you have to be sure that you know what you want and you know the morals and values that you hold and stick to them, because they will try you. They will try you. 13, the fun thing about college is when you first come, no one knows who you are. And not to say that as like a rude thing, but as so many opportunities are open for you. You can become whoever you want. You can start doing new hobbies that you never thought you could do before. It's a space for you to really find yourself and find who you are and what you want to do. 14, drama is non-existent unless you go looking for it. That whole little high school popularity, oh, I'm better than her, or, you know, this, that, and the third, high school drama, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. No one cares. Point blank period. But if you want drama, if you go looking for it, seek and you shall find. But don't do that. 15, just because it's college doesn't mean everyone is grown. I have met some of the most childish grown people ever, and my mother said that it doesn't get better when you get older. There's childish grown people everywhere. Age ain't nothing but a number. 16, you don't have to have a lot of friends. If you like your circle small, keep it that way. That's how I prefer mine anyway. I have a lot of associates and a handful of friends. That's how I look at it. 17, be involved. Don't stay in your dorm all the time. That's not how you venture out and meet people and meet new things. The most memories you'll have about college are the things you did outside of the classroom. 18, stay on top of your classes. Constantly check your degree audit and your requirements to graduate. You can fall behind without even knowing it. Know what classes you have to take and then save those elective or fun classes for when you have room for them. Make sure you're planning your schedule so that you're on track to graduate within 4 years. And it's okay if you don't graduate within 4 years. Some people take a semester, some people take a whole nother year, but as long as you get your degree, that's all that matters. 19, don't take a class because your friend is in it. That's all. 20, it is okay to change your major. I know this for a fact. I came in here with a major of sociology with a concentration in law and society and a minor in legal studies. Now I am criminal justice with a concentration in law and society and a minor in legal studies. I was devastated when I had to change my major, but it ended up being one of the best decisions ever. A lot of my classes actually cross-listed, which means that the classes that I took with my sociology major transferred over to my criminal justice major, so it wasn't even that big of a jump. 21, stay on top of financial aid. They will try to play you. They will play you, but not if you check them. 22, stay true to yourself. You weren't put on earth to please man, so don't try to, because you can't. And last but not least, have fun. College is the best experience I've ever experienced in my life. I love it. I thought I missed high school, but no, I get done classes around 12 o'clock, have the rest of the day. It's really about time management. Just, that's another tip actually. Practice time management and being organized. You have so much free time. You can do a lot and you can get into a lot. So just make sure that you're doing what you have to do and you have your priorities straight. But yes, have fun, try new things, meet new people, expand your horizons, join clubs, become presidents and vice presidents of clubs. Change your style if you want, change your hair if you want. I change my hair almost every week. Hair is a big part of my life. Change your hair color. Now me, I'm natural underneath all of this, and I'm not gonna dye my hair, but you know, I'm a big wig fanatic, so you know, y'all might be seeing some colorful wigs coming your way. Stay tuned for those. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope some tips and tricks that I shared helped you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have any tips that you would like to share with the class of 2018. Let me know if you guys like more videos like this. I definitely can speak on experience. So just let me know. Comment, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications when I post, and I definitely have some more content coming out for you guys, so just stay tuned. Thanks everyone, and be blessed.
Make some noise in here! Who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say.